Good morning, students. I'm Jyotsna Dethi from Pioneer Public School. Today we are going to continue with the chapter The Hero. We are going to learn the grammar part from this lesson. And our today's topic is order of adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Now, the girl's eyes have been described by using two adjectives, and they are big and blue. So now, in this phrase, the word eyes is noun and the words big and blue, these are the adjectives. Why are they adjectives? Because these both words are describing the noun eyes. And what is the definition of adjectives? The definition of adjectives is adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Read the sentences given below. Swami's father was an intelligent, middle-aged man. Now, in this sentence, the word man has been described by using two adjectives, and they are intelligent and middle-aged. Swami was a simple, young village lad who grew up in a small, remote, coastal Indian village. Now, in this sentence, the word lad and the word village, these are the nouns which have been described by using few adjectives. Now, the word lad has been described by using simple, young, and village. These three adjectives are used to describe this noun. Remote, coastal, and Indian. These three adjectives have been used to describe the noun village. We often use one or two adjectives before a noun, but three or more, it's not as common. So in this sentence, we have three adjectives to describe the word lad and four adjectives to describe the word village. So when we have two or more adjectives, there is a certain order that we should follow. So let's learn the order of adjectives. How to place adjectives in correct order. Now this is the order that we are supposed to follow when we have two or more adjectives to describe a noun. So first will be the opinion. So the words such as beautiful, interesting, such words will be categorized under opinion adjectives. Second order will be size. The words such as large, small, big, huge, such words will be used in this category size. Third comes age. So the words such as young, old, newborn, such kind of adjectives will be considered in the third category, that is age. Number 4, order wise, fourth rank is shape. So the shapes like round, circle, oval, such kind of words will be at the fourth order. Number 5, color. All the colors such as brown, black, red, white, colors will be placed in the fifth order. Sixth order is the origin. Origin means British, Indian, Chinese. The origin of the name or origin of a particular person or thing. Number 7 is material. Materials such as wool, wooden, cotton. So they will be placed at the seventh place. Now, we should never forget that before placing these all adjectives, determiners or articles comes. So determiners such as this, that, these, those. These determiners will be coming before placing all the adjectives. Same thing goes with the articles. Articles like a and the. Articles will be placed always before putting the adjectives in order. For example, Swami was a simple young village lad. In this example, we have these three adjectives to describe the noun lad. So we have used the article a before placing all these three adjectives. Adjectives cannot be written in any order. There are rules. So you should use the following order. Now, let us see the order of adjectives in detail. As we have seen, opinion adjectives will be coming at the first place. So words such as polite, fun, cute, difficult, hardworking, boring, interesting, useful, such words will be placed at the first position. That is, opinion adjectives will be always placed at the first place. Now, second, that is size. Size including adjectives, comparatives, and superlatives. In this category, height. For example, tall, short, high, low, taller, tallest, shorter, shortest. Such kind of words will be coming in the category size. Width. For example, wide, narrow, thin, slim, wider, widest. Such adjectives will be placed at the second place. Length, for example, long, short, longer, longest. Such adjectives will be also coming in this category of size. Volume, for example, fat, huge, fatter, or fattest. Such kind of adjectives will be also coming in the same category, that is size. So height, width, length, and volume. Such kind of adjectives will be coming in the category size. They will be placed at the second place of order. Number 3, shape. Circular, oval, triangular, square, hexagonal, irregular, etc. At the fourth place, age. For example, new, young, adolescent, teenage, middle-aged, old, ancient. Such kind of adjectives will be coming in the fourth place. Next, color. All the colors, red, orange, yellow, green, off-white, bright green, yellow, etc. So all colors will be coming at the fifth place of adjective order. Next will be the origin or nationality. For example, Indian, Chinese, English, American, Canadian, or Japanese. Number 8 will be material. Wood, plastic, metal, ceramic, paper, silk, etc. Last is the purpose, such as meeting room, detective story, etc. Now, here, room is the noun and the word meeting is the adjective. So, this is adjective of purpose. Detective story. In this particular word, story is the noun and the word detective is acting as an adjective. This is a purpose adjective. Now, opinion will be coming at the first place. So what kind of words will be coming in the opinion? Silly, interesting, boring. What about the size? Big, small, tiny, enormous. Age, young, old, middle-aged. Shape, round, oval, circular. Color, red, white, black, etc. Origin will be English, Indian, Chinese, American. Material, metal, wooden. Purpose, sleeping. Or here we can say serving tray, flying pan. So let us read these phrases. Silly young English boy. So in this particular phrase, boy is a noun and we have three adjectives. Silly, young, English. Big, round, metal tray. Tray is a noun and we have used three adjectives to describe this noun. And they are big, round, metal. Small, red, sleeping bag. Bag is a noun. We have three adjectives. They are small, red, sleeping. Let's solve exercise in the sentences given below. Check whether the adjectives have been placed in the correct order. Rewrite the sentences and place the adjectives in the correct order where required. Refer to the table given above. Now, we have the sentence. Caesar is my tall, trustworthy, 2-year-old athletic Doberman. Now, this is our order of adjectives. Now, let's see. We have tall, trustworthy, 2-year-old, and athletic. We have these four adjectives. Now, the word tall, this particular word, tall, this is related with the size. Trustworthy, the word trustworthy is related with the opinion adjective. 2-year-old, this is related with the age. And athletic, this word is related with the purpose. So now, let us arrange all these adjectives. So this is our answer. Caesar is my trustworthy, tall, 2-year-old, athletic Doberman. Where the road curves, you'll see a green, gloomy, brick old house. This is our order of adjective. Let us put the adjectives in a correct order. We have green, gloomy, brick, and old. We have these four adjectives to arrange. Now, the word green is related with the color. Gloomy, this word is related with the opinion. Brick, the word related with the material. And the word old, is related with the age. Now, let us arrange all these 4 adjectives in a correct order, and here is our answer. Where the road curves, you'll see a gloomy old green brick house. She has written a detective 560-page, heavily researched, boring novel. Now we have detective 560-page, heavily researched and boring. These 4 adjectives are there to arrange. The word detective is related with the purpose, 560-page. This is related with the size. Heavily researched is related with the opinion, and the word boring is again related with the opinion. So let us arrange these adjectives in a correct order. She has written a boring, heavily researched 560-page detective novel. The triangular, blue-walled, large meeting room was designed by my brother. Now, in this sentence, we have triangular, blue-walled, large, and meeting. These 4 adjectives are there to arrange. The word triangular, this is related with the shape. Blue-walled, it is related with the color. The word meeting is related with the purpose. So our answer is the large triangular blue-walled meeting room was designed by my brother. Let us revise once more the correct order of adjectives. The first will be opinion, then size, then age, after that shape, then color, after which comes the origin, then material, and at the last, purpose. So we have learnt about the correct order of adjectives today. Thanks for watching.